Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome once again to Zero TV Official. If you've not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share before we go into this video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you something that is actually interesting, and I feel everybody needs to know this. Everybody needs to know this. It's actually a Google feature that enables you to see blogs or posts on any social media platform, major social media platforms, um, sent to your email directly whenever they are made. New posts on websites, on a social media platform, whenever they are made, and it's on specific keywords online or words that you select. You get, I discovered this recently and it has actually helped me, and I've been getting emails just like what you can see on your screen. I've been getting different emails on specific words I selected for Google to notify me whenever they are uploaded on a different website. So it's a simple feature. All you don't need to do, you go over to Google, search for what? Google Alerts. Go over and search for Google what? Alerts, and it works for any social media. I say social media platforms, what I mean, any browser. You get, it works on what? Any browser. So this is what you're actually looking for here. This first link over here, or on Google, Microsoft Edge, it may not be the first link. It was actually the second link when I opened it. So you go to Google Alerts or google.com, you get slash alerts. You can see it here, google.com.ng. This is because I'm in Nigeria, slash alert. Now, what should the alert be about? That's where you select it. For example, you want the alert to be about, let me see, current affairs. Or let me use, okay, current affairs. I think this is okay for now. You click on create alert. So that is how it will be for now. Current affairs here. Then you can add other ones here. Let me say tech. Let me say music, and so much more. So that's just a simple trick. And from then, whenever you go over to your email, you will start seeing posts or emails directly from Google showing you that this post or blogs have been made in this what, in this line or text that you selected over here, on music, on tech, on current affairs. So it's not limited to this. You can go over, select any line of business. If it's coding or programming, you can just search it out. And whenever posts or blogs are made on this line, you eventually get it directly to your email. I believe you gained something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share after watching this video. See you in the next video.